Hello, beautiful. Before we start our hula hooping exercises, start getting our core engaged, we're gonna do 3 easy floor exercises. Now, I posted on my community tab the video that has the personal trainer, Mr. London, doing the full routine. So go follow Mr. London. You will definitely get inspiration to work out. Now, the first exercise we're gonna do is we're just gonna lie down and just do slow movements, one foot, bring the other foot. Then the second one we're gonna do is we're going to do, the next one, you lay down. So for the opposite hand, what you're gonna do is so let's see, start here, and then the opposite hand from the opposite leg, lay it out, and then bring it back. And then our last exercise, lay down, keep your heels in the ground, and you're gonna move up like this, hold your hands up. If you have a weight, you can use that, but put your hands up and thrust that pelvis to the sky. Okay, let's get started. First one, lay back and just do it as comfortable as you can. Okay, head up slightly, just so you can feel it. Don't, if your neck starts to hurt, don't do it, and just lift one leg up at a time and dig your heels in. And concentrate on feeling it in your stomach. So hold your stomach in. Just take it at a slow pace. We're just warming up. And if you need to, you can rest, like if you're gonna do a sit-up, you can, or a crunch, you can rest your neck behind your hands. Okay, and let's do the next one. So this one, we're gonna start from here. Keep your hands up, opposite hand of leg. Woo! Keep that tummy in, and don't forget to breathe. Yeah, you got it. We are gonna be so fine with our snatched waists. Okay, and the last one before we start doing our hula hoops is keep your heels dug into the ground. Lift up that pelvis. And use this muscle right here, your stomach muscles. Don't forget to breathe. And a nice slow pace. And if anything starts to hurt, just stop. All right, now we're gonna get into our hula hooping. Okay, beautifuls, now just remember, try to keep your legs as close together as can. Also, you can do some switch ups, moves from side to side, back and forth. Make sure you hit both sides. You do the right side and you do the left side. Keep doing it just until you feel comfortable. It's not a race. It is a marathon because we're going to do something every day to make ourselves look better. Okay. Sorry for all the noise in the background, but you never know what's going to happen outside. that you are here another day. Let's take in all this fresh air. Blow it out. If you can, kind of shake it out a little bit. Blow it out. Just shake a little bit and relax. Now blow it out. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, life is too short to not move around every day. Bye-bye. Oh shoot, where'd I put the remote? Oh well. Bye, babies.